Today we're cooking eggs with our Cajun-style seasoning. Alright, we're going to cook some eggs here. We're going to start with a tablespoon of butter. Look at that. Just a nice melt, nothing too crazy. We don't want this butter browning. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. We got the butter for flavor. And a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon. Keep the smoke point up. Alrighty. Once we get this really well coated on the pan. Looks great. A nice little
share.
A little early on that one. Alright, so we're just trimming away a little of this extra egg on the side here, which isn't really hurting anything. We're just kind of tightening up the loop there. We got the butter, the olive oil here. Move everything around here. You have kind of see a little bit translucent still on the top. That means it's not quite ready yet. We're going to see if these are getting loose yet on the bottom. They are getting nice and solid. You see how the spatula goes right underneath. Sometimes you got to break just a few points, but when it's ready to come up, it should more or less come on up, just like that. And since these are just about finished, we're going to move them around a little bit, make sure they're loose. Yeah, that looks really good. I know eggs are one of those things that people have trouble with sticking on the pan. But if you get the right butter, right oil, and the right temperature here, you should have no problem. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of our Merman's Revenge Cajun seasoning. One of the things I love about our seasoning is it's not too salty. It's got just enough to make it all work. We also have fresh from Florida oranges. Dehydrated, of course. Alright, this guy here, this is... Oh, look at that. That's just perfect. Holding together. Let's go ahead and plate this thing. Look at that. Perfect. Alrighty. Look at that.